Not sure which is the best drone you can buy for your needs? In this video, we've done an extensive review and we've come up with the top 3 drones, and we discuss all their key features and what things to consider before you pick the best one for you. So stick around, and if you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Price information and all drones mentioned in the video are available in the description. So let's start. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 SE. Best budget drone. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone that delivers quality performance, the DJI Mini 2 SE might just be what you need. Weighing under 250 grams, this ultralight drone doesn't require registration in many countries, allowing you to get airborne without the extra paperwork. Despite its compact size, it comes packed with impressive features. It sports a 3-axis gimbal-stabilized camera capable of capturing smooth 2.7K video at 30 frames per second. While it's not 4K, for most users, especially those creating content for social media, 2.7K offers more than enough clarity. The drone is exceptionally beginner-friendly. The DJI Fly app includes an intuitive on-screen tutorial, making it easy for newcomers to get started. The upgraded controller feels solid in hand, boasts decent battery life, and charges via USB-C for added convenience. Battery life is another strong suit. You get around 30 minutes of flight time per charge, giving you ample time to capture stunning footage. Plus, the ability to recharge using a portable power bank via USB-C is a game-changer when you're out and about. For photography enthusiasts, this drone captures 12-megapixel photos in both JPEG and RAW formats. The image quality is decent, but I recommend using auto-exposure bracketing to maximize dynamic range in your shots. When stacked against other drones in its price range, like the Potensic Atom, which offers 4K video, the Mini 2 SE still holds its own. The Potensic may boast higher resolution on paper, but it can't match DJI's build quality, flight stability, and polished software experience. So even without 4K, the Mini 2 SE provides a more reliable and enjoyable flying experience. Now, it's important to consider some limitations. The drone lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, so you'll need to be cautious to prevent any accidents. Its lightweight design means it can struggle in windy conditions, especially a sudden gust could even sweep it away. Additionally, the camera doesn't perform well in low-light situations due to its limited dynamic range and 8-bit SDR video profile. Advanced features like hyperlapse and active track are also absent, which might be a drawback if you're seeking more creative shooting modes. All in all, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a solid entry-level drone that offers excellent value for its price. It's perfect for beginners or casual users who want a dependable drone without a hefty investment. However, if you require higher resolution video, better low-light performance, or advanced features, you might want to consider upgrading to the DJI Mini 3 or Air 2S. To sum up, what I like is the affordable price point. It's lightweight and doesn't require registration. It's beginner-friendly with on-screen tutorials, good battery life and USB-C charging, and the smooth 2.7K video and stable footage. On the downside, there are no obstacle avoidance sensors, it struggles in windy conditions due to lightweight design, the camera has poor low-light performance and limited dynamic range, and it lacks advanced features like hyperlapse or active track. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Best premium drone. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is revolutionizing the drone industry with its advanced features and robust performance. This drone doesn't just bring minor upgrades, it introduces a triple camera system, extended battery life, and all-round obstacle avoidance that collectively set a new standard for aerial photography and videography. But does it justify its premium price tag compared to other options on the market? Let's find out. One of the most impressive aspects is its triple camera setup. The main camera is a 24mm wide-angle Hasselblad lens equipped with a large 4:3 CMOS sensor. This combination delivers exceptional image quality and remarkable color accuracy, producing vibrant and detailed photos straight out of the camera. It's a significant advantage for photographers who want professional-grade images without extensive post-processing. The standout feature is the new 70mm mid-telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This lens expands your creative horizons, allowing you to capture detailed shots from a distance without sacrificing image quality. It's perfect for achieving that desirable compression effect and offers a fresh perspective even in familiar locations. Additionally, it supports 48-megapixel RAW photos, providing ample detail for any post-production needs. The third lens is a 166mm telephoto with 7x optical zoom. While it doesn't quite match the image quality of the other two lenses, it's invaluable for capturing distant subjects, especially when safety or regulations require you to keep the drone at a distance. It's most effective when the subject is closer and the lighting conditions are favorable, such as high-contrast environments. When stacked against other drones in its price range, the Mavic 3 Pro stands out for its versatility. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic, for example, offers the same excellent wide-angle camera, but lacks the additional lenses. If your work mainly involves wide-angle shots, the Classic could be sufficient. However, for those needing the flexibility of multiple focal lengths without compromising on image quality, the Mavic 3 Pro is the superior choice. Other drones, like the DJI Air 2S or the Autel Evo Lite Plus, come at a lower price but don't offer the same level of image quality or the creative possibilities provided by a triple-camera system. Battery life is another area where the Mavic 3 Pro excels. It boasts up to 43 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions, but in real-world usage you can expect around 35 to 40 minutes. The extended flight time means fewer interruptions and more opportunities to capture the perfect shot, which is crucial for professional work. Safety features are robust, featuring omnidirectional obstacle sensing and the advanced pilot assist system. These technologies help the drone navigate complex environments smoothly, giving you added confidence during flights and reducing the risk of accidents. However, the drone isn't without its drawbacks. Some users have noticed that the gimbal may struggle with the heavier camera module, leading to slight horizon drift or camera tilt during sudden movements or in windy conditions. Additionally, switching between the three cameras can be somewhat slow on the standard DJI RC controller, which can be a hindrance when trying to capture fast-moving subjects. Weighing in at 958 grams, the Mavic 3 Pro falls into the C2 category, subjecting it to stricter regulations in some regions, which is one of its main downsides. This could limit where and how you can operate the drone, so it's an important factor to consider before making a purchase. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro offers an unparalleled combination of image quality, versatility, and advanced features. While it has a few shortcomings, its strengths make it one of the best premium drones currently available. For professionals and enthusiasts who demand flexibility and top-notch performance, this drone is a great choice that justifies its premium price. To sum up, what I like is the exceptional image quality from the wide-angle and 70mm lenses, the versatile triple-camera system expands creative possibilities, the impressive battery life for longer flight times, and the advanced obstacle avoidance sensors for safer flying. On the downside, gimbal may struggle with the heavier camera module, affecting stability in certain conditions, switching between cameras can be slow on the standard controller, and the heavier weight leads to stricter regulations and potential limitations. Number 1. DJI Air 3, our top choice. The DJI Air 3 stands out in the mid-range drone category due to its innovative dual-camera system and impressive flight time. The drone offers a powerful combination of features that make it a strong contender in its class. First off, the dual camera setup is a game changer. It includes both a wide-angle lens and a 3x telephoto camera, allowing for incredibly creative shots without sacrificing quality through digital zoom. This means you can capture stunning landscapes and then zoom in to get those detailed shots all in one flight. Many find themselves using the 3x camera more than expected, as it opens up new possibilities. When DJI announced they were moving away from the 1-inch sensor featured in the Air 2S, there was skepticism about potential loss in image quality. However, after examining the Air 3's footage, those reservations vanished. The image quality is stunning, proving that sensor size is just one piece of the puzzle. DJI has truly nailed it with their Air 3's technology. Compared to other drones in this price range, like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the Air 3 offers significant advantages. The all-round obstacle avoidance is a big deal. It provides peace of mind when flying in complex environments, especially when navigating through trees or buildings. This feature, combined with its quiet operation, means shots can be captured without drawing unnecessary attention, a plus in public spaces. Speaking of battery life, the Air 3 boasts an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes. In real-world use, you can expect around 39 minutes, which is substantial compared to other drones in this price range. The extended flight time allows for focusing on capturing the perfect shot without constantly worrying about landing to swap batteries. The charging hub is another thoughtful addition. It not only charges multiple batteries, but can also consolidate remaining power into one battery, providing extra flight time when it's needed most. The feature is especially useful on longer shoots, where every minute in the air counts. For content creators focused on social media, the Air 3 includes a vertical shooting mode. While it's limited to 2.7K resolution, which is adequate for platforms like Instagram and TikTok, it might not satisfy those looking for higher resolution vertical video. If vertical video is the main focus, the Mini 3 Pro might be a better fit due to its ability to shoot in higher resolution in vertical mode. On the downside, the Air 3 has fixed aperture lenses and only 8GB of internal storage, which can fill up quickly when shooting in high resolution. It's advisable to invest in a high-capacity microSD card. The fixed aperture means ND filters might be needed to control exposure in bright conditions, adding to the overall cost. At 720 grams, the Air 3 requires FAA registration, which is a minor inconvenience, but something to be aware of for those who prefer the simplicity of sub-250-gram drones like the Mini series. This added weight does contribute to better wind resistance, but it's a trade-off to consider. However, the Air 3 strikes a perfect balance between the compact size of the Mini 4 Pro and the advanced features of the Mavic 3 series, making it an excellent choice for those who want professional features without the higher price tag. It's nestled nicely in between when it comes to price, performance, and size. In terms of design, the Air 3 is sleek and compact, folding up neatly for travel. The included bag in the Fly More combo is a nice touch, offering enough space for the drone and accessories without being bulky. The bag is versatile enough to be used as a day pack when not flying, which speaks to its practicality. The drone also supports DJI's latest O4 video transmission system, offering a reliable connection even in areas with interference. The obstacle avoidance sensors are top-notch, enabling confidence when flying in complex environments. Overall, the DJI Air 3 offers a nice mix of advanced features, excellent image quality, and user-friendly design, making it one of the best drones in its category. For those seeking a drone that provides professional-grade features without breaking the bank, the Air 3 is a solid choice. To sum up, what I like is the dual-camera system with wide-angle and telephoto lenses, the excellent image quality despite smaller sensor, the all-around obstacle avoidance, the long battery life, up to 46 minutes, the compact and sleek design, the quiet operation, and the charging hub with power consolidation feature. On the downside, fixed aperture lenses, only 8GB of internal storage, it requires FAA registration due to weight, and the vertical shooting mode is limited to 2.7K resolution. That's it, guys. But don't go yet, there's so much more to discover. Check out more of our videos packed with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best choices.